dates?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
Actually, I taken the appointment from the Dr. Deshmukh, sir.
Yourself only?
No, sir. I take her from for all the things.
There are different scientists. Initially, I will explain you because the area is bifurcated. Different locations are there. One is this is the main campus. Then Charles Viga is there, 8.81. Then Kuran Farm. Then Gamdar, like that, different locations. So you will not get the whole area here only. But majority of the research on the soybean you will find here. Because research in many disciplines is carried out. Initially the agronomy. Agronomy you know.
Yes, sir.
Cultivation, spacing and other things. They are doing cropping systems. They are doing research on the agronomy. Then soil science and agriculture. Soil science means the soil, related to soil. Soil fertility and soil productivity. You know the soil fertility and the productivity, reproducibility.
Yes, sir.
What is soil fertility? Just I will refresh you. Because I think you are not attached with college directly.
Yes, sir.
Online. So can anybody of you tell me what is soil difference between the soil fertility and soil productivity?
Actually, the nutrients or the chemicals which are present in the soil, they are known as soil fertility. And the chemicals or minerals which are directly with the
Chemicals. Then you are using
not minerals. sir.
दीपक माळे लॅपटॉप म्हणून त्याला सांगायचे ठीक आहे So anybody want to improve upon what your name is, please?
Yes, sir.
Your good name?
Shivam Madrevar.
Shivamudre. Anybody want to improve upon Shivamudre? Because since I think 10 years I was teaching this science, I was awarded also the best teacher from the students' point of view. And not only the theory, practical, and also the PG I was conducting in Pune College and Kolhapur College also. So my interest was, sir, एक मिनिट. तर आपल्या प्रयोगाला तांत्या पण खाली आहे, संपर्क ह्याच्या आलेला आहे. आपण एक फवारणी घेतली होती का घ्यायची? फवारणी घ्यायला पाहिजे. तांत्याला बरं चाललं. गेल्या वेळेला इथले प्रयोग संपर्क जवळ घेतलेलं बरं होईल. कारण काय कोणाला सगळ्याला अटॅक येणारच आहे सर. घ्या नंतर पुढच्या आठवड्यात बघितल्या. तेच म्हटलं आज जाऊन बघून आलो. तेवढं माझे सर नाहीत ना. आहेत काय माझे सर? नाही सर बघा कुठलं काय असेल तुमचे. So anybody want to improve because you have been away from the college. No teacher is directly contact with because I know online mode. I do not know the online mode. So you can put your camera and audio and you can. Without the actual student direct interface is not there.
Yes, sir.
That is creating a money problem. And the practicals, I think there are no practicals.
No, sir.
As a chemistry and other practical, actually you have to carry out. You have to learn by carrying out that practical. Then you will learn something. Otherwise, just on video, it's okay to see in all things. Actually, because I will put one example. So you will get the 100 out of 100 marks by learning the car and system, the fuel system, the gear system, all things. When I will ask you to drive the train on the road, you require practicals. Yes. Practical experience and practical. Similar is your agriculture. Only theoretically you will score the mark, but actual reality you have to carry the practical something yourself. I think I will sit there. You can come here. That's practical. So the screen is visible to you. इधर क्या attendance क्या करता है बोला तो क्या है डॉक्टर सर? नहीं. Attendance सर क्या है? EPD of research mission बोला है. ये इंटरनेट में फॉरवर्ड कर रहा है.
स्टोरेज आहे का मोबाईल? आहे की काय? रेकॉर्ड करायचं. पैसे रेकॉर्ड.
अरे ये ना बहुत सारा अकाउंट होता है. बहुत वेळा लागतो.
नाही माझं होत नाही. कंटिन्यू चालू.
This is the main building of research stations. You know that the Agricultural Research Station, Kasaragod Research Sangli, was established in 1958. Long time. And the mandates, because for establishment of any research station, you have to give the mandate. What are the problems to the farmers? And to give some solutions, the mandates are fixed. Because what is the mandate here? Cropping system, crop improvement is there, varietal improvement, major crop or sugarcane, soybean. You can see when you are traversing, you belong to the Sangli districts, and this is one of the most progressive districts. I belong to this district only, because you will not get the labor here. All the farmers, they are progressive, they are getting the yield higher than our average yield. 20 quintal per acre they are getting. Average yield, soybean is, I think, 15 quintal per hectare. So they are getting per acre. The farmers are very highly progressive here. And when it was established, the mandates were to develop improved varieties of soybean, turmeric and coconut. Because these are the major crops. You know the Sangli market is famous for turmeric.
Yes, sir.
Since long period. And the soybean is recently introduced crop from the foreign countries. And it is rich in the protein source and oil also. And the duration is very small, that's why. And it is suitable in the cropping system. It is a leguminous crops, so it fixed atmospheric nitrogen. So it is sugarcane soybean system. This is a very important crop the farmers are there. In the large area it is grown. So now you can, what is the price of soybean per
Sir,
quintal? You are reading newspaper or not?
yes, sir.
Huh?
Actually, it is lies between
Market is 8,000 per quintal. So last year it was 4,000. Doubling, because there is a lot of demand from the poultry and other industry, feed industry and what are the products industry, health products industry, and it is a rich source of protein and 40% protein and 20% oil. Second object, to develop need-based production technology for imported from the regions. What is the requirement of these farmers? Depending upon that, the main crop or sugarcane, soybean. So what is the input? What are the nutrition and other things? That also we have to develop. Third is to undertake multi-location trial of different crops. If you to conduct a trial at only digress, it won't reflect. You have to take the trial, you have to conduct on different locations so that the efficiency of treatment you will get. Because if you see the climate, it is varying from I think kilometer to kilometer. Rainfall, the soil pattern, and other things, they are varying. So that's why the multi-location trials are conducted, especially the newly released variety. Then seed production of different crop of the region. Because seed is a very important input which is required by the farmers. If you contact any farmers in your locality, they will ask, is there any new variety? Is there is the seed of this variety is available? Because they don't know other, they will not ask the soil report and other, because we are not developed countries. In our case also, when we have too ill, then we are contacting doctors. Forget about the general farms. If there is no specific interest, nobody will go to the soil testing laboratory, because every district is having and test their soils, and as per the soil testing, they are not applying the nutrients. But definitely they will ask the variety, because variety is a key factor, input factor in the production of agriculture. Variety and other management, fertilizer, other things are there. Seed production is also mandated. In these research stations, the seed production of soybean, then turmeric is conducted in large scale, because there is a heavy demand. Salem variety is there, and again the new variety is developed there also. They are conducted. You can see in the field, when you are traversing the field, you will get the seed production of this variety, KTTDS, digress variety, is going on. Then need-based research on the reclamation technology for the soil affected soils. I think how many course of soil you have gone through so far?
Just one course.
One course?
Yes, sir.
And directly you have put to Ravi?
No, sir. We are at the second sem.
Second sem?
Yes, sir.
You are at second sem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I am thinking that you are, because Ravi students, they are coming today. You are at second. So you are you are introduced in the college, and this is your second semester.
Yes, sir.
It is online or offline?
Online, sir.
Oh. They will ask you to visit research stations and collect the information. Instead of nothing, if something is good.
Yes, sir.
It is like that only. So in that fashion, I have to tell you. I thought you were right. Need-based research. Initially, then I will to begin. What is soil? Soil is a natural body which is operating on the
Sir.
top surface of the what are the function of soil? To provide nutrient, to support nutrient and water, to support the plant system by the roots. Is providing proper the physical, chemical and the biological to sustain the crop. That is the function of soils. And the soil fertility is the ability of soil to provide nutrients, essential nutrients. There are more than 16 in the amount and proportion required by the crop. This is soil fertility. You should borrow this definition always. What is the soil fertility is the ability of soil to provide essential nutrients in the amount and proportion which are required by the crop. That is fertility. And the soil, what is soil productivity? It's the capacity of soil. Capacity of soil to nourish the crops and to get a specific yield per hectare from the soil. That is known as soil productivity. All the productive soils are fertile, but all the fertile soil may not be productive because productivity require other input, irrigation, management, the climate, and the fertile soil means only the nutrient, but productive means in terms of yield. The reflection is in terms of yield. So that is the basic terminology you require. And you know the physical, chemical and biological property you might have learned online or offline. You have learned something, I think. The physical properties are, which are the physical properties? Physical property, visible, color, texture, structure, soil depth, then water holding capacity, available water capacity, soil aeration, soil temperature. These are the physical properties. What are the chemical properties of soil? The pH means, what is pH? Online काय शिकलंय what is pH? काय नसेल तर मग सगळं जास्त पडपड साधारण काय
Acidity and basicity.
It is a negative diagram of hydrogen ion activity. I think you are capturing something than others. This is acidity or acidity 7.5 to 6.5 to 7 is supposed to be neutral, and less than 6 is acidic. Broader term I am speaking. And more than 70 alkaline, and if it is more than 8.5 alkali soil. If it is less than 6, it is acidic soils. And the nutrient availability and the activity of soil microbe will depend upon the soil pH. Just like our pulse, the pH is the pulse of soil. Then the EC, what is EC? Because based upon that, if you know something, then whatever I am going to explain, that is something you will capture. Otherwise, the lecture was there, it was nice. What you have captured? Nothing. It will be like that. So what is EC? Girls, from girls, आरामच केलं ऑनलाईन ते लावायचं, रेडिओ बंद करायचं, ऑफ करायचा आणि ते नोट्स काय येतात बघायचे आणि ती परीक्षा पण ऑनलाईनच आहे. मग त्याचं मल्टिपल चॉईस ते काय कॉपी करता येते, सोपी म्हणतात फार. कॉलेजला एकदा गेलो तर कॉलेजला कोण काही मिळतच नाही, भेटतच नाही कोण. ते मला पोरं कॉपी करतात फार. गुगल